Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas. Hope you're having an awesome day so far. I am going to release the crosscut sled now as part of the 50% off discount. And this sled is unlike any that you might have encountered before, and it is a cross between a couple of other sleds that I have seen. So not only does this have a T-track system that allows you to put attachments on, as well as stop blocks, but it's made in such a way that allows you to be able to take advantage of the entire length or width of the sled and go past that because you don't have a fence that limits you in a certain amount of space. So you can actually take a piece that exceeds the width of the sled and then flip it over and finish the cut out and cut some really big pieces on this rather small size sled. But there's one ingredient on this thing that most people don't put on their sleds, and that is a dust collection port. That's right. On the back side of this fence, there is a dust collection port that allows you to be able to hook up a shop vac DC, and in conjunction with your table saw DC, will suck up a lot of dust off the surface area of this sled. Now, it doesn't get everything, but it gets most of it, and it prevents a lot of dust from being shot back onto your shirt and getting you dirty in the process. So this is an awesome accessory to have in your shop for your table saw, and I highly recommend making one for yourself. And you can download the plans right now using the discount code that you'll find down below in the description and get 50% off that download. So guys, that about wraps it up for day 5. I'll see you for day 6 tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, boom!